I know your tiler won't steal your tiles, but let's look at how to calculate the number of tiles you need for your room. So first of all, you find the area of your room, the area which is the length times the breadth of the room. So for my room, it's 400 centimeters by 400 centimeters. You have to remember to add the skirting to the calculation. So let's say 410 centimeters or 420 centimeters times 420 centimeters. So 420 by 420, which will give us 176,400. 176,400. Then we look at the area of a tile. You can decide to use the 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter tile, but for me I'm using the 40 centimeter by 40 centimeter tile because that's what I'm going to buy from the market. So 40 times 40 centimeter will give us 16,000. 40 times 40 will give us 1,600 centimeters squared. So now we have the area of the room, then the area of a tile. So to get the number of tiles you are supposed to use for your room, we divide the total area of your room by the area of a tile, which will give us 176,400 divided by 1,600 centimeters squared. So here we have 110.25. So approximately we have 111 tiles. Now you and I know that we can't go to the market and say we are buying 111 pieces of tiles. It comes in boxes, and we have 12 pieces of tiles in a box. So to get a number of boxes we are supposed to buy, we divide the 111 by 12 and then reduce it. So 111 divided by 12, we get 9.25. So approximately 10 boxes. 10 boxes. So the 111, we are supposed to add 5% for breakages and wastages. But since I divided the 111 by 12 and got 9.25 and approximated it to 10 boxes, I think it will cater for the breakages as well. So currently, a box of tiles is going for between 160 cedis and 250 cedis. So averagely, we'll estimate around 200 cedis for a box of tiles. As at the time I'm doing this video. So the 200 cedis times the number of boxes, which is 10 boxes, we get 2,000 cedis for the tiles, for the number of tiles you are supposed to buy. So that will be the cost for the tiles you are supposed to buy. If you know you've not subscribed yet, do so by clicking on the subscription and turn on your notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop any amazing video. Thank you.